it's your girl Nadia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chronicles of Nadia. Hi guys, it's your girl Nadia here, and today we're going to be making some French toast with my dad. So, let's get started. These are 2 eggs. Make sure you have 2 eggs, some cinnamon, vanilla extract, and we also have 1/4 of a cup of milk. And that milk smells really good. And we also have some bread. Nice. Here. Alright guys, let's crack the eggs. So that's the first thing you want to do. Alright, I'm not going to get crazy with it this time. Okay, it broke. Almost there. Okay, that didn't get crazy this time. We're going to do our second egg here. Break it. Open it. There you go. I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to do the other one. Alright, I just washed my hands. I'm going to put in the cinnamon. Just a little dump. If you want more cinnamon, that's okay. It's okay. Vanilla extract, and finally, the last but not least, some milk. And now we mix. So we're going to flip it like this. I never whisked before like this, but it works. It's okay to get dirty. This is what cooking is about. So I'm going to whisk it. I'm not going to whisk it too hard. Try to get those sides. I never whisked before, so this is my first time in all these videos. Put it in there. Take it. Don't let it sog. Get it in there. Take it and pop it on the griddle. Oh, that worked. Thank God. Let's do one more. Just one more. Because I'm not going to eat all of this alone. Alright, hold on 1 second. Trip that little trips. Do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. And now I'm going to go wash my hands because this is a lot. Alright guys, it's finally done. Our French toast is done, so let's try it. So I'm going to get some syrup here. Hold on 1 second. There we go. And this comes out very fast. I gotta be aware of this. So let's do this. Just go. Ooh, do like, oh yeah. Like, okay, that's enough because there's always a lot in the middle. Now it's time to try it. So I'm gonna take my fork here and cut it. 1 second. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my hands, honestly. Actually, we're just gonna cut a tiny little piece over here. Now I'll put this down. Eat. And let's try it. Let me dip it in here. 3, 2, 1. Tastes good. It's good. I love it. I love French toast.